Here's how to turn your boring screenshots into cinematic Netflix-level motion graphics. First, download QuickCam from the link in the description. There's a free version, but I'm using the Pro one. Once downloaded, unzip the folder, open DaVinci Resolve, and go to the Fusion page. Drag the installer file directly onto the Fusion area. If nothing happens, add any node first, then try again. When it's done, restart DaVinci Resolve. No studio version needed. Now on the edit page, open the effects panel, go to Effects, then Shark, then QuickCam. Now just drag the plugin onto your clip. If you want it to work as an adjustment layer across your whole timeline or a selected amount of clips, find QuickCam in the generator section instead. It's better for performance and easier to use. So drag it into your timeline, select it, and look at the inspector panel on the right. That's where all the controls are. There are built-in presets in the effects panel if you want to skip the animation setup entirely. But making your own takes 10 seconds, so stay with me. In the inspector, set the view to start. Adjust the 3D rotation, position, and size values in the Start category. Now switch view to End and click this button to copy your start values. Then, slightly offset the values. Small changes are all you need. Now switch view to Final, and now you have your 3D animation. Here is what it looks like. To control the easing, open the Spline editor inside the plugin. Just enable the animation you want to change and adjust these handles. No Fusion page needed. You can build any curve you want, but I'll do this simple ease out. Now the part that makes it actually look cinematic. Go to the Effects tab inside the plugin. Open Pixels and set it to procedural. Now you have a pixel grid over your video. For max realism, switch to Custom. Grab one of the texture files from the Pixels folder you downloaded, drop it into your media pool, then drag it into the texture slot. Adjust the scale until it looks right. Now open depth of field and enable it. Give it a second to initialize. That one setting is what sells it. Your flat screenshot now has real depth blur like an actual lens. If you want, set the focus range, start and end points to create a focus pull, or lock it to your subject. QuickCam automatically calculates the depth and rotation for you, so you get realistic depth of field in about 5 seconds of setup. Here is what it looks like with these effects on. If you want to push it further, the plugin has a full compositing stack. Vignette for dramatic shots, glow to pop the highlights, built-in color corrector to match your grade, lens distortion, chromatic aberration, and film grain to make it feel like a real camera lens. Oh, and if you trim your clip, QuickCam adjusts automatically. Just make sure to toggle the red switch in the inspector off and on to reset it, in case the animation is glitched. That's it. Subscribe.
Shark edit that.